Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Samsung refrigerator ice maker. First, ensure your refrigerator is properly installed and connected to a cold water supply. Locate the water shutoff valve behind the appliance and turn it to the open position. Next, check all water line connections for any leaks to prevent potential damage. Finally, discard the first few batches of ice produced over the initial 24 hours to thoroughly flush the water lines and ensure fresh, clean ice. Once your water supply is connected and checked, it's time to activate the ice maker. Locate the power switch, which is usually found inside the freezer compartment, often near the ice bucket. Flip this switch to the on position. It typically takes about 24 hours for the ice maker to produce its first full batch of ice. Ensure the ice bucket is correctly seated to catch all the cubes as they drop, providing you with a steady supply. If your ice maker isn't producing ice or not enough, let's troubleshoot. First, check that the water line isn't kinked or blocked, which can restrict water flow. Next, consider if your water filter needs replacing. A clogged filter often reduces ice production. Also, ensure your freezer temperature is set correctly, ideally between 0 and 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, confirm the ice maker's feeler arm isn't obstructed, allowing it to cycle freely and produce ice efficiently. To keep your Samsung ice maker running smoothly, regular maintenance is key. Remember to replace your water filter every 6 months to ensure the best water quality and consistent ice production. It's also a good idea to regularly clean the ice bucket and dispenser chute to prevent any ice buildup or unpleasant odors. Try to avoid overfilling the ice bucket, as this can sometimes jam the dispenser. Finally, periodically check your waterline connections for any signs of wear or potential leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.